Let us continue the story. Mother would tell stories about him with humor and sadness. Chaplin's mother told stories about Chaplin's father to Chaplin with humor and sadness. She had a mixed feeling. He had a violent temper when drinking. He refers to Chaplin's father. He was very violent when he drank. His father got angry very quickly when he was drunk. And during one of his tantrums, look at this word tantrums. Tantrums mean childish outburst of temper. You know how a drunkard behaves when he is drunk. So during one of his tantrums, one of his father's tantrums when he is drunk, she ran off to Brington. Brington is a place, a city in England. So once, while he was behaving in a very bad manner, or you know how a drunkard behaves when he is drunk, Chaplin's mother went to Brington with her friends, with some of her friends. And at that time, his father got angry and he wrote a telegram. Look, you know about telegram. You wrote a telegram in your first year. And in answer to his frantic telegram, frantic means mentally deranged and emotionally out of control. So in a telegram, he wrote to his mother, "What are you up to? Where are you? Answer at once. You give me answer at once." He was very angry. Then Chaplin's mother wired back. Wired means replied back with telegram. Wired back. Balls, parties and picnic darlings. Balls means you ball party where couples dance. Parties and picnics. Darling means I'm enjoying here in Brington. What degree of feeling she had for my father, I never knew. What amount of feeling Chaplin's mother had for her husband, for Chaplin's father, Chaplin never knew. But whenever she spoke of him, whenever his mother spoke about his father, it was without bitterness, without any ill thought, which makes me suspect, which makes Chaplin believe that she was too objective to have been deeply in love. Means Chaplin's mother loved Chaplin's father very much, in spite of his rude behavior, in spite of his drinking behavior. She loved her husband very much. Sometimes she would give a sympathetic account of him. Sometimes she would say, or she would feel pity, or she had a feeling or expressing sympathy or pity for him, account of him, of Chaplin's father, and at other times, and sometimes talk of his drunkenness, talk about his drinking behavior and violence, and how violent he become when he is drunk. In later years, when she was angry with me, she would ruefully say, ruefully means sadly, she will say, "You will finish up in the gutter like your father." With anger, she become angry and scold Chaplin that he will finish up in the gutter like his father. What other facts besides drink were involved, I do not know, but a year after my birth, my parents separated. It means that Chaplin's parents, got separated when Chaplin was only 1 year old because of excessive drinking of his father. Mother did not seek alimony. Mother did not seek alimony. Look at this word, alimony. Alimony means maintenance or means of living. Here alimony refers to that when a couple get divorced, the husband has to give compensation or maintenance in the form of money or property to the wife. Chaplin's mother earned a considerable amount of money, so she did not ask for alimony. She was a star. She was a star in her own right, earning 25 pounds a week. She was earning sufficient money and she could take care of her children, so she did not seek any alimony from her husband. She was well able to support herself. She was able to support herself because she was financially strong, and her children. She could take care of her children. Only when ill fortune befell her did she seek relief. Otherwise, she would never have taken legal steps. Ill fortune, look at this word. Ill fortune. Ill means bad. Fortune, luck. Befell her means something bad happened to someone, then we use this word befell her. Did she seek relief? Look at this sentence. I am explaining it. Although it was her bad luck that she got separated from her husband, yet it was a matter of relief for her, as his father was behaving very violently with her. So, she or her situation forced her to take legal steps. Here, legal steps means getting divorce. So, when ill fortune befell her, she seek relief. Otherwise, she would never have taken legal steps. She should not have taken divorce. It was her ill luck because his father was a drunkard. He was very violent. She has to take legal steps and they were separated because of that. She had been having trouble with her voice. Means she was developing a disease. You all know that she was a singer. Singing was her profession. Singing was her source of income. She earned money by performing in theaters, clubs. But she was developing a disease called laryngitis, that is swelling in the larynx, in her throat. It swelled and she could not sing. Means while singing, her voice used to slow down automatically. It was never strong. It refers to her voice. Her voice was very sweet. It was never strong, and the slightest cold brought on laryngitis. Laryngitis, a disease, or you can say an inflammation in the larynx. It lasted for weeks. It lasted for many days. But she was obliged to keep working. She was bound to do something. Obliged means bound to do something. Mean here she was bound to keep working, because if she will not sing, then she cannot earn money. She cannot take care of her children. So she was bound to work in spite of her disease, so that her voice grew progressively worse and her voice gradually became worse because she was singing in spite of her disease. She was dedicated to her work, and on the other hand, if she will not work, then she could not earn money, and if she will not earn money, she could not take care of her children. So she was bound to work in spite of her disease. She could not rely on it. She could not depend on it anymore because her disease aggravated. In the middle of singing, it would crack or suddenly disappear into a whisper, and the audience would laugh and start booing. Look at the sentence. So in the middle of the singing, her voice would slow down automatically, and the audience would always laugh at her and start booing. What is booing? Booing means discouraging comments. They gave discouraging comments. It means a sound uttered to show dislike or disapproval. So they commented her. The worry of this booing, discouragement, impaired her health. Impaired means weakened her health. Her health deteriorated because she was worried and made her nervous wreck. She went to depression. She was depressed because of it, because she thought that she could not earn money and take care of her children, as she was unable to sing because of this disease. As a consequence, as a result, her theatrical engagements, her singing performances fell off until they were practically nil. Her singing or theatrical engagement stopped because she was unable to sing because of her disease. So in this unit, you came to know about Chaplin's father and his mother. His father was a vaudevillian and was a drunkard. His mother struggle, his father tantrums, and her dependence on singing is well explained here by Charlie Chaplin. Hope you have understood it properly. Take care.